If Monday.com email notifications are not working, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that you can try right now. We'll go through the most common causes, from browser issues to notification settings, so you can get your Monday.com emails working again without wasting time. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software tutorials. First, refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly and start sending notifications again. If that doesn't help, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run the test to make sure your connection is stable. A weak or unstable internet connection can interfere with notifications loading or syncing correctly. If your internet looks fine, move on to clearing your browser cache. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Select Cache and Cookies, then click Clear. After that, restart your browser and sign back into Monday.com. Old cache data can sometimes cause email notification errors, and clearing it often fixes the issue fast. Next, disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. To do this, click the three-dot menu in your browser, go to Extensions, then open Manage Extensions. Turn off any ad blockers or extensions that might block scripts, pop-ups, or notification-related activity. After disabling them, refresh Monday.com and check whether the email notifications start working again. Now let's check your Monday.com notification settings directly. Go to Monday.com and click your profile picture in the top corner. From there, open My Profile, then select Notifications. Look for the Email section and make sure the alerts you actually need are enabled. If the wrong notification options are turned off, Monday.com may be working properly, but your inbox will never receive the messages you expect. After that, check your email inbox and spam folder. Sometimes Monday.com emails get filtered automatically, so search for Monday.com in your inbox and in spam or junk mail. If you find one of their messages, mark it as safe so future emails go directly to your inbox. Also, make sure the email address connected to your Monday.com account is correct and still active. A typo, old address, or unverified email can stop notifications from coming through. If you've gone through all of these steps, your Monday.com email notification error should be much easier to fix. In most cases, one of these solutions solves the problem, especially clearing cache, disabling extensions, or enabling the right notification settings inside Monday.com. If one step doesn't work, just continue to the next until the issue is resolved. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.